Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Greg?
The dollar-yen pair has gained 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator has transitioned sharply into the neutral area. Bitcoin has gained 3.3% in the last 3 sessions. The ATR is strengthening and is now giving a high volatility signal. The price of gold has gained 1.5% in the last 2 sessions. The Williams indicator has skyrocketed into the overbought area. The price of crude oil has added 3.4% in the last session. The ATR has transitioned into high volatility territory.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in world financial news.
Oil prices skyrocketed despite worries that widening coronavirus lockdowns in Europe would weaken fuel demand. The U.S. dollar held steady as investors readied for this week's U.S. presidential election, while a surge in global coronavirus cases continued to weigh on sentiment. Bitcoin had an unusually bullish October with a 29% gain. However, many traders have taken profits ahead of the U.S. election, preparing for a volatile aftermath.
Thank you, and now let's go through today's major economic events.
The Eurozone's PPI will be released at 800 GMT, the U.S. exports at 10:30 GMT, the U.S. imports at 10:30 GMT. The U.S. ADP non-farm employment change at 11:15 GMT, the U.S. trade balance at 11:30 GMT, and the Canadian trade balance at 11:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.